Did you know the right green coatings shield from harsh heat? In a world where temperatures are on the rise, the battle against the negative effects of heat on buildings and structures has become more critical than ever. The constant dance of expansion and contraction, known in architectural circles as thermal movement, poses a significant threat to the integrity of our structures over time. As the mercury soars, building materials expand. As it plummets, they contract. This repetitive cycle creates cracks, gaps, and weaknesses that compromise the very foundations we rely on. The onslaught of heat waves intensifies these challenges, causing damage on infrastructure and construction projects. The consequences are far-reaching, with higher temperatures subjecting materials like steel, concrete, wood, protective cladding, paints, and sealants to thermal expansion and deterioration. The need for a robust solution to shield our buildings from these direct and brutal heat attacks has never been more urgent. In this episode, I'm highlighting the solution, which is encasing properties with the right sustainable green coatings. These innovative coatings present a new opportunity and prove to be the answer to the long-term escalating battle against the scorching elements. Unlike their weaker counterparts, the right green coatings are designed to expand and contract, stretch and shrink, seamlessly accommodating the thermal movement of building. This flexibility ensures that the structure remains fortified against the relentless assault of high temperatures, preventing the formation of cracks and vulnerabilities. If these cracks and gaps are already present, they can be filled and bridged with the right green coatings to prevent further damage. In addition, the importance of reflective surfaces and shading as further tactics cannot be overstated in this war against heat. They act as the first line of defense, preventing direct heat gained from the sun. The right green coatings are also solar reflective, adding to their complete package of defending buildings and structures. Simultaneously, insulation steps in as the guardian against heat transfer, slowing down the invasion of external heat through building surfaces and walls. These strategies collectively work to mitigate the impact of heat, providing a shield that is both proactive and resilient. In contrast, weak paint becomes the Achilles heel in this battle. Unable to accommodate the natural movement of buildings, these inferior weak paints and cheap encapsulants crack, chip, and peel under the relentless pressure of thermal expansion and contraction. Even the tiniest hairline cracks become gateways for moisture, accelerating the breakdown process and compromising the structural integrity of the building. Building materials, when exposed to high temperatures, undergo transformations that weaken their overall composition. Understanding the profound effects of heat on surfaces is the first step towards implementing new opportunities with necessary precaution. It is crucial for architects, builders, and property owners to be aware of these challenges and take proactive measures to ensure the longevity and resilience of their structures by encasing them with the right green coatings. These measures not only stop the unnecessary expense of removal and replacement, but they also help prevent the generation, transportation, and storage of unwanted and harmful waste in overflowing landfills. Waste that has serious negative impacts on the environment, waste that gives off destructive CO2 emissions and contaminates groundwater while also polluting the air. At the same time, restoring and long-term preservation of buildings and structures stops the need for more of our precious and limited natural resources used in the replacement of removed materials. As we navigate a future marked by rising temperatures, the new opportunity and role of the right green coatings as guardians of our buildings becomes increasingly pivotal. Their ability to adapt and protect against harsh heat ensures that our structures stand strong against the scorching wrath of climate change. In embracing these sustainable solutions, we not only fortify our present, but also pave the way for a resilient and enduring architectural legacy for generations to come. You may like this quote from Warren Buffett, someone sitting in the shade today, because someone planted a tree a long time ago. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.